It's going to be a quick equipment check for this trip. I've talked in the past about getting something to use as a grill for the fire. Previously I was just going to use a barbecue hot plate or grill from a barbecue, cut it down to the desired width and length, and carry it with me in the back of the ute and maybe on the bike. Those cast iron grills are pretty heavy, so I thought the next best thing is to go to the beer fridge and pull out one of the wire stainless racks in there. This was obviously double the width, but cut it down, cleaned all the edges up, and now that is going to be my grilling rack. And I cannot wait to get a bit of steak on that. So I've seen you can get a lot of little hiking grills. Alton Goods have got like the titanium one. All that stuff's good if you're hiking, but if you don't need to worry so much about the weight, even on the motorbike, that is probably double the size of what any of those hiking grills are, and they'll probably last. No, it's not titanium, so it might not last as long. I won't make that call, but go to your nearest reuse centre. You can't tip dive anymore, unfortunately, but have a look around. If you know someone's got an old fridge they're throwing out, anything like that, 9 times out of 10, if it's an older one, it's going to have a stainless rack in it. So nice and easy, nice and light. Just tucks away behind the fridge in the back of the ute, and it's small, light, and easy enough to pack in the bag on the motorcycle as well. So that's going to be really good for future trips. Be able to grill on. Yeah. Smoky fire. Might be doing a little bit of smoking with my steak as well. So get out there, you'll be able to find a grill like that pretty easily, and it is a real good effective way of cooking food over the open coals.